Yo, Jaden, what's up?
Yo, bro, this is peak comedy. I could watch brain rot memes all day.
Brain rot memes? LOL. Have fun in NPC Blood. While you're rotting your brain, I'm actually learning how to play this song.
Whatever. Brain rot memes are much more fun. Huh? Wait a second. Are you playing the piano right now?
Yep, I recently learned this piece on Simply Piano. Yay! I just got 3 stars on this song!
Wow, it sounds like you're playing a game.
Yeah, this is an app that lets you learn piano in a super fun game-like way, and they have so many songs to choose from.
Wow, that is so cool.
Yep, bro. So how about trying Simply Piano right now? It literally listens while you play. Tells me if you mess up. It's such a detailed piano tutor.
Wow, that sounds so Sigma, bro.
Scrolling's mid, playing's way better. Simply Piano. Time to flex.
All right, let's go. Time to grind my piano skills with Simply Piano.
Wait, that sounds amazing! I also want to learn how to play!